I've been investing in Bitcoin and crypto for the past decade, but I recently discovered an EA that trades it fully automatically. Guess what? It generates more profit than simply buying Bitcoin even now, and this bullish trend with Bitcoin sitting above 100k. The best part? There are no emotions involved. I haven't even looked at the Bitcoin chart in the last few months, but this EA has continued to make profits. Let me show you. The expert advisor is called Crypto Investor EA and it trades Bitcoin on the M15 time frame. I have it on the Black Bull Live account and I started this account back in May, exactly on the 20th of May, and you can see that until the moment, or today is 6th of August, this expert advisor made profit of $668. Or this is above 50%, but let me show you the track record and we will look at inputs to see if it is risky. I have the track record right in here, so I will drag and drop it over the recording screen and you will see what a steady balanced line there is. The total return is 58.2%, and if I switch to equity, we will see the drawdown, a very tiny drawdown back in June. Basically the balance dropped from $1,053 down to $1,009, and just now there is a floating loss which we will check out in a second. If we look at the stats, we'll see an average monthly return of 22.5%. The profit factor is 2.54, and if I click on strategy, we will see that so far we had 49 winners and 19 losers. If I go back to the MetaTrader and I show you the open trades, you will see that I currently have a floating loss. So it bought Bitcoin with 0.01 on the 31st of July. I do believe it is this trade over here at 8:15 in the morning, but then the price of Bitcoin dropped lower and you can see that it adds to the position with 0.02, and then price continues lower and look where it bought, really on the second bottom of this move, and it's a trade with 0.03, and now you can see that the price of Bitcoin is nearly at this last level where it bought. That is why this last trade is on break even. And that is what I liked about this expert advisor, because it doesn't use an aggressive grid martingale system. So it's not starting with 0.01 and then 0.02 and then 0.04, 8 and 16, and you know what happens usually with these type of expert advisors. This one increases slowly just with 0.01. And what's more, if I show you the inputs, you will notice that we can control the additional trades. So in this account I have set it to 4 and we don't count the first one. The first one is with 0.01 and then it will add another 4 trades. So I already have 2 trades open and the maximum it can go is 0.04 and 0.05. Let me show you the account history so we will see together if this happened in the past. I can see 0.03 in here, again 0.03. If I scroll higher, we have 0.04 in this recovery, and we have right in here 0.05. You can see that it started with 0.01, then it added 0.02, 3, 4, 5, and this one recovered with about $220, and that's about 20% in the account. So I believe this is the maximum risk I can take for this $1,000 account, and of course it depends with how much I am trading. If I decide to put this expert advisor on a bigger account, probably I can allow 5, maximum 6 trades. Probably, I don't know, I'll have to back test it, of course, for the particular account size. But if you decide to test the expert advisor, the link from the official website is in the description, because there are many cracked versions which I do not recommend. Make sure you back test it yourself and make sure that you decide for yourself what is the risk you are comfortable with, and it's your personal decision. It's not a financial advice, and I really don't recommend trading this expert advisor on live account. First test it on a demo to see how it works. But let me show you how it performs compared to investing in Bitcoin. So right on the top, I have the Bitcoin chart, which I've shown in some of my videos, and I shared that from time to time I am purchasing Bitcoin and I'm selling it. The last time I did that was right in April, which was around the levels of 75,000, and I took the profits right before the 100k, and that was around the end of May. And I keep some Bitcoin as a long-term investment for years now, but honestly in June and July and now August, I haven't looked at these charts before I decided to record this video. And that is great, because with such expert advisor, I don't put any emotions, I don't look at the chart, I don't care if the price will go up or down. I'm not trying to play cat and mouse and trying to buy the dips and sell the highs. And what's interesting, by the way, is that if I have bought Bitcoin just 1 month ago, you will see that I will have made 4.61%. If I've bought it 6 months ago, I would make 18.34%. Year to date is 22.37%. But if we look one more time in my life account, we can see that it makes 22% on average every month. Of course, there is no guarantee that it will continue the same, but Bitcoin is quite a volatile asset, and I can see better performance with the EA compared to if I was just buying it and trying one more time to buy the dips and sell the highs. And because I've made over 50% in my 1k life account, I am planning to withdraw $500. This is basically my strategy. Whenever a $1,000 account makes $500, I am happy with that profit and I'm just withdrawing it. And that is actually super easy to do with Black Bull, which is one of the brokers that offers great trading conditions for cryptocurrency. And what I've arranged for myself, my team and our subscribers is that if you want to trade an institutional account, you don't need to deposit 20k but just 2,000. You will find the link down below in the description. However, if I just log in, you will see that I have plenty of accounts with Black Bull, and here is the one. So it's very easy actually to make the withdrawal right to my wallet. But before I can do that, those trades that are opened at the moment should close. So I'll wait for that, and at the end I want to show you the settings and the risk management, because it's very important to understand how it works. So if you want to use fixed lots, you can do that. All you need to do is to make the auto money management 0, then the fixed lots apply. But in this case, I decided to go with auto money management of 0.1, and the expert automatically calculates that for the $1,000 account, it will start with 0.01. 0.01 is the minimum trading quantity on MetaTrader, and that is why also on my trading.com account, I have set it with 0.01. And even though this is a 10k account, okay, I bought it for 1,000 and 9 more were added as a credit, you can see that it still starts trading with 0.01 and 0.02, because still 0.1 auto money management is 0.01 lot in the 10k account. And actually in this account I will increase it to 0.02, because right before recording the video I noticed that it made just $243 of a profit and started nearly at the same time when the other account started. So I think I can have a little bit higher risk in this account. But I will go back to the live account of Black Bull, and I'll want to show you the Kmart is set to 1. Basically this predefines with how much I'll be increasing the lots, right? So if it is a bigger number like 2, then it's supposed to go with 0.01, then 0.02, then 0.04. But here you can set it to 1.1 or 1.5, which will increase the lots just a little bit more. And again, this is a personal choice, how much you want to increase the lots, or how much you want to risk, or how many additional trades you you want to have after the first one. That is why I said it is best first to trade it on a demo account, and I'll leave the link to Black Bull Markets where you can open just a demo account with virtual money so you don't risk anything. And of course it's a personal choice how you will manage your accounts. In one of my last videos I said that I'm not a vendor that wants to build track records. I want to withdraw profits, and in my 5K accounts, whenever I reach $1,000 profit, I withdraw it. In my 1K account, whenever I reach $500, that's 50%. It's more than enough. I withdraw it. But this is me. This is how I am comfortable doing it, and I'll leave it on you to decide how to manage your trading accounts. And as I always say, accept the risk when trading with expert advisors. If you don't feel you want to risk it, just don't risk, okay? Trade on a virtual account and just enjoy trading without risking any money, guys. As always, I thank you so much for watching today's video. It means the world to me. And if you want to see another video from me, Petko Alexandrov, it's right in here, and I'll see you in there. Don't forget, I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.